Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can log into your Netspend Employee account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Netspend is also a leading provider of corporate payroll card solutions that help employers offer all employees a direct deposit caption and eliminate expenses associated with paper checks for employees and employers alike. In order to log into employees' account on Netspend, go and click open a web browser, go to the search box and type in netchecks.com and search. Netchecks is a cloud-based human resource and payroll management solution designed for business of all sizes. In order to log into Netspend Employee account, you'll need to visit this URL, and from this page, go and click on the login button at the upper right. Now, go ahead and enter your username in the first text field. Click on Sign In. On the next page, you'll get to see a password box appearing. Type in your password correct. Double check your password by clicking on the eye icon if you are not sure you've typed in the correct one. And in case you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to your new one. Finally, after you're done, click on Continue and you'll be logged into Netspend Employee account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.